In today's video, we will introduce you different ways to earn real money using artificial intelligence. So watch the video carefully until the end. Let's start with number one, that use AI to start a social media management. In the last few years, here have been a lot of crazy new tools that basically use AI to help you manage social media for yourself and your clients. And that makes it an interesting business to start right now if you know the right tools to use, know how to market. It can be an easy 7 or 8 figure business. Basically, what you guys want to do to find customers and you help them manage their social media. There are many entrepreneurs out there and businesses that are typing to use social media to build followers or organic traffic. So trust me, this is going to be in demand for a long time, and the point is that AI pairs perfectly with it. For example, Tapilo is an amazing piece of software if you have clients who want to build their own LinkedIn page, which are really popular now using AI tool like this. Can basically write and brainstorm content for LinkedIn so your output can be increased. For example, if you look at this software you can use for inspiration is content, you can see they have a bunch of AI generators that we can literally generate content, and we can generate hooks that are also very cool carousel, which do all the work. You can also change the content that generated for you. You can edit it, and basically you can add your own voice. In fact, you can do this for your clients, and it allows you to manage many clients and do one things, a lot of good content, and a much more efficient way, all thanks to AI. This was just one example for LinkedIn, but for every social media platform there are AI tools you can use to streamline the content process with YouTube. I think this is one of the best opportunities in the AI space. It is a service-based businesses with very low overheads as well as upfront costs. Before continuing with the video, be sure to subscribe us and press the bell button to stay informed about our tutorials. The next great way to make money using AI is with an AI optimization agency. There is a lot of demand for companies that haven't really implemented AI in their business yet, but are looking to do so by spending some time learning about AI and understanding what kinds of AI tools are out there that you can go into a business and implement things that make a huge difference in their performance, but they don't know how to use it properly, which means there is a lot of demand but very little supply of real actionable knowledge. So if you're in that space, you can really take advantage of that huge demand and build an agency.